my first 1 million peso this 2025. Pero teka, hindi to flex ha. Hindi rin to motivational talk. This is just me sharing my experience bilang isang millennial negosyante, isang petpreneur, at higit sa lahat, isang breadwinner. Kaching, kaching! Gusto mo malaman paano ko ginawa yon? Well, let's go back where it all started. Part 1. My sales talent na tinatawag natin the closer. I use my talent in sales. Alam mo yung sinasabi nila na some people are born to sell? Well, I think that's my superpower. Ako yung closer ng franchising business ko, the First Society. I don't just talk to potential franchisees, I connect with them. I listen, I understand why, and I help them see the bigger picture of owning a pet business. In 1 quarter, I was able to close 2 franchise deals. Pero those 2 deals were big enough to create the first big chunk of my 1 million. Kaya ko siya natawag na the closer move. Kasi dito ko napatunayan na hindi mo kailangan magbenta sa lahat. You just have to sell it right. Part 2, my virtual assistant journey, the real estate world. Next, I'm also a virtual assistant. My role, I help find buyers and sellers in the real estate world in US. Basically, I'm the admin assistant who assists the closer. So yes, I'm also working with the other closers. Every week, I earn bonuses, and whenever my client and I close a deal, may additional commission ako. So imagine that. May active income ako sa franchising, tapos may passive and bonus income pa sa VA industry. This made up the second portion of my 1 million journey. Not bad for a night owl, di ba? Part 3, my hustle in video editing. Honestly, I'm not the best editor out there. I earned from it. You don't have to be perfect just to get paid. My strength isn't just the transition, the effects, it's in storytelling. I know how to make video to connect emotionally. Kasi for me, editing is not about tools. It's about the feel. I always say, my edge is my eye for stories. That's what makes my content relatable. Because I edit based on my heart, not just the trend. Part 4, franchising royalties. And of course, continuous passive income through franchising, the royalty fees. Ito yung beauty of creating a system that works even if you are sleeping. So every month, may pumapasok na royalty sa akin. Yes, it's small, but steady. And that's what makes your business sustainable, not only profitable. Part 5, First Society, retail, and grooming. And there's this retail side of First Society. Pet essentials, pet grooming, all of that. Each item there has a small markup. But those small markups add up. The pet grooming brings steady flow. Essentials bring repeat buyers. But here's the catch. I never kept all of the income. So lahat ng yan, nire-invest ko ulit sa isang business. Kasi para sa akin, success means building. Part 6, and the last one, yung Fur Mama Shampoo by First Society. Dito napunta lahat halos ng kinita ko. Natatawa na lang ako kasi ang laki talaga ng ini-invest namin. Para lang mapatunayan namin na hindi maganda yung mga product na na-try namin. Meron kaming mas magandang gagawin para sa lahat. This is my baby brand, startup shampoo line that we are building from scratch. So yes, the money keeps moving. From income to reinvestment to innovation. Ganun dapat ang cycle ng entrepreneur. Okay, you have watched all of the 6 income why I hit 1 million. This video is not to brag, okay? But to make you realize na kahit na isang breadwinner ka, kaya mong makahit ng 1 million. Of course, I know I'll receive bad comments, lalo na yung mga taong nakakilala sa akin bago ako maging millennial negosyante. And maybe bashing after this video. I don't really care if you find this mayabang or not. Kasi I know myself more than anyone who criticize my content. Bahala ka na, call mo yan. Kasi the law of karma always goes to people who are genuinely happy for others. Alam mo yon? Hindi mo alam yon, nagbasa ka ng law of karma. And if this content ever becomes the reason na maging delikado yung buhay ko, pag nakita mo ko, tatawanan lang kita. Wala kang mahihita sa akin. Kasi lahat ng 1 million na yan, nasa business, nasa reinvestment, at nasa expense na ng buhay naming mag-asawa. So let's go back to the title. How I hit my first 1 million pesos. Keyword, hit. Achievement lang yan. Hindi kayamanan, okay? Hold upin mo man ako dyan sa kanto. Ang mahihita mo lang sa akin, isang malaking smile. Sabay sasabihin ko sa'yo, oops, hindi mo tinapos video ko. Gotcha.